This is Odyssey. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to meal plan to the 16th of April. I'm going to look onto my pantry shelves and my freezer, both of them, because they're clean out and organized, and we can meal plan better for our families. And I know exactly what's in them, so I know how long I can plan out to, and then start creating our shopping list for our shopping hauls for you to enjoy. We have a whole player's list of grocery hauls. Down below, there are links to all kinds of good stuff, my Facebook group page, and my photography page. But first, smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget, when we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subbies, one for people who comment. If you comment all the time, you must be a U.S. resident and already subscribed. If you're new, you must be subscribed and a U.S. resident. If you comment all the time and you won in the past 60 days, you're not qualified. We're also looking for 16 more people to give out one 5-item prize pack from the Dollar Tree, valued at $6.25. The same rules apply. Today we're going to meal plan. I have my board in front of you down on the table. We're going to open the freezer first, because we just cleaned it out a few days ago, and we just organized that cabinet yesterday on the right with all the canned goods and baskets, keeping my pantry as organized and discreet as I can. We're going to go through to see what sides are available there or what I can make for a quick pantry dinner, and we're going to see what's in the freezer for dinners. We've already taken out a rack of ribs for Sunday and air fryer steaks for Saturday. We had a gift card that we won from Hannafords, and we picked up some great buys. And we also had gotten a $20 bonus from our bulk store BJ's and got our steaks at no cost. So that was pretty awesome and pretty frugal. Let's speak to my husband in the background from time to time. He is cooking lunch. I recently just went through this, and I have bags of cut chicken. That is my carcass, make bone broth soup. My pork ribs. Breakfast sandwiches are here and down there. Party wings. And she did not put that currently. I got a big package of chicken here that I'll have to use soon. We also have a turkey down here. I have about 2 to 3 pounds of ground beef. So we can do something with beef like a meatloaf. We can do a nice chicken dinner in the crock pot or in the oven, or my husband can deep fry his. Different ways, air fryer it. French fries for our side. Vegetables are all, you can't see, are in the very bottom basket. We keep them fully stocked. Our grocery stores are anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes away, so we keep a fully stocked pantry and freezer at all times. Next to the freezer are the canned goods, and I just got some lima beans. I'm going to move you a little closer. On this shelf I have a lot of canned goods. I have canned chicken, canned tuna, and canned ham, as well as canned fruits and vegetables, as well as tomato soups, things along that line. Applesauce, bottled water, Gatorades, soda. We like ginger ale. My kids like juice bags and chocolate milk bottles. We use those for the lunch bags. On the left is a skinny shelf with extras where I can hide it away when there's an overstock. One of the meals we're going to have some lima beans for our side. Take that right up so you can see it. I got these at the Dollar Tree recently, still $1 a can. And I haven't done a potato soup in a while. These are perfect for potato soup. I got a bunch of them, and I have some cheese that I can use as well. These are great for a child who doesn't want the other vegetable, wants a green bean. It's like a serving for 1, maybe even 2. And I really like that when my kids don't like something we're having and they can have something they want. I have some nacho cheese sauce. Possibilities. I have a lot of canned meat sauce. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I wasn't near the Walmart and I was going to drive extra just to save 20 cents. And it is 1 pound. It is going to get really cold in New York again, down to 18 degrees Sunday through Monday, early Tuesday. And I can do a really nice stir fry with this or a casserole to warm the house up and to keep tummies full. I just went through the top shelf and there's 2 pounds of ground beef in there. I'm going to go to my other freezer to see if there's any more ground beef in the other one. I know I have a lot of beef hot dogs too. Before we even go into the other room and check out the small freezer, I want to get everything off of here first. I did find 2 pounds of ground beef as I mentioned. So when we go to BJ's, we're going to have to see what's on sale and pick up another 4 to 5 pound package, and then we separate it into different pounds for individual meals. My chicken that's already frozen in there was gifted to me, otherwise I would have done that with my chicken. And just erase it all the way here. We do themed nights and we rotate the menu to make it easier, but things can get mundane at times and I try to jazz it up. Today is Friday the 25th. I'm going to write the 25th up here so I don't get lost with what I'm doing. My brother's birthday is Monday the 28th. I sent him a card. There's 31 days in March. April 1st is a Friday. My husband's birthday is April 8th. If you would like to send him a birthday card, give me a shout out and I'll send you my email or check in my description box. It is always there. We're going to go to the 16th of April. The week of the 21st, my kids are home for a whole week, so that week there will not be any kids' lunch videos. Those are only on days where there's school. Now, Sunday we're going to have the rack of ribs. I have a video on that, and they are massive. They were gifted to us. That Monday, if there should be enough leftovers for some pork tacos. That Tuesday, we normally do pork, but we can do a kielbasa. Because I have one in the fridge. I keep one at all times. Wednesdays are Italian night. I always put sauce down. That can be anything from lasagna soup, lasagna roll-ups, to rigatoni, to ziti, to regular spaghetti and meatballs. Then Thursday is usually a heat and eat. Friday we do takeout. Everybody deserves a treat. And then Saturdays we do some kind of a beef. We're going to probably do the prime rib because we have 2 of them in the freezer. They were gifted to us. That Sunday we can do a French dip with the round 2 meal. It's so important with prices on the rise constantly to do round 2 meals. And if you do them at least once a week, you're going to save hundreds. And if you do them multiple times a month, once a week, you can save $300 to $400 a month by doing round 2 meals and utilizing your leftovers for lunches for work, so you're not out buying. Monday's going to be a casserole. Now Monday is usually round 2 meal day, but because we're having that prime rib and the French dip to Sunday, we're going to do the casserole on Monday. Tuesday will be pork chops. I have 2 sets of those. I just updated my freezer recently, and I know everything is in it. That's why I did the clean out with the freezer, and later I have another video coming up with the little freezer being cleaned out. Wednesday brings us back to sauce. Thursday's heat and eat. Friday's takeout. And then we can do beef stew. We have not done that in a long time. A whole chicken on the 10th. Round 2 meal Monday on the 11th. That'll be chicken soup. And I have all that carcass frozen and frozen scrapped vegetables to make an awesome homemade bone broth. Tuesday's back to pork night, and we'll do ribs. Wednesday's our Italian night on the 13th. The 14th is a Thursday, that's heat and eat. Takeout on the Friday on the 15th. And the 16th of April, Saturday once again. I think we have a chuck in there, so we can do a crock pot chuck roast. That's in the other freezer. Now we're going to go take a look into the other freezer. And whatever I don't have, like the beef stew. I'm going to write down right here. And I have to get a lot of new fresh vegetables and fruit this weekend. I know I need onions. I have some frozen chicken chili on the left, as well as some frozen sauce. We have a lot of beef hot dogs. I had a loaf of bread in there. My husband's got his pizza. Keep it neat here. Those are cream Italian sausages for one of the Italian nights. There's no ground beef in here, so we only have 2 pounds. These are just open vegetables and French fries. Over here is breakfast sausages and items my husband uses regularly. On the door here, I have some spinach and mixed vegetables behind it for sides. Also tater rounds for sides. Garlic bread for Italian night. And my husband likes these for quick snacks. Here's the rest of our hot dogs. Doesn't look like we have any more hamburger patties. We'll be getting those as the weather gets warmer for grilling night. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching me all the way to the end with my easy theme night meal plans with rotation menu. And also by having a round 2 night once a week to reduce your bill by hundreds. If you don't want something that particular night later on down the road, just make sure you plan ahead, have it thawing and ready, because nothing's ever set in stone. There are many times we've switched things around. You've seen us do it. But for now, don't forget to smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget about my giveaways. Please share me to social media. Thank you for watching.